In today's video, I'm going to talk about my thoughts on when coaches and therapists say, oh, that person just wasn't ready to change. Hi, I'm Christopher Paul Jones, the breakthrough expert. So when therapists, counselors, psychologists, hypnotherapists have said to a client, oh, they just weren't ready to change, it's missing something. Now, the first thing is, it's about the therapist firstly asking themselves, well, was they doing the right thing? Were they tackling the right issue? And was their approach the right one? And that's why it's always good to have a toolbox of different approaches. But the second thing is, if someone wasn't ready to change, why weren't they ready to change? Because when you can uncover that, that's when you can make the results. So, i.e., they were holding on to a belief, anger protected them, or fear kept them safe. And while someone's holding on to that belief, whatever approach is applied, it's probably not going to shift till you tackle that belief. Now, of course, that said, if you're going to be a client and you're going to work on yourself, there is an attitude that you show up with that's going to give you quicker success than other ways of being. If the therapist is going, oh, well, they just weren't ready to change, then the therapist isn't taking responsibility. But if the client's going, well, you fix me, that's also not going to be good. But it is worth isolating what's really going on. And I say, if you are the client that's had this before, just think about, all right, what was I believing at the time to keep me holding on to this pattern? What was it that's making me not ready to change yet? And it's worth making a note of that because, again, like all beliefs, like all emotions, they can be changed. But most of them are running unconsciously, so we're not even aware we're doing them. So have a think about it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and of course share. Till next time, I'm Christopher Paul Jones. Get up.